Moikka! I am Mari from Taiga Journals. Welcome to my channel. I received a lovely email from Journalsay a couple of weeks ago, and they offered me $100 gift code for a package of art supplies. So now, let's see what's in the packages and do something nice with them. Let's start with the little package. Yes, this is a timer. I ordered this because I do a lot of work on my computer and sometimes I forget to stand up and do some exercise. So this is a nice reminder that now get up and do something, jump or walk. So yes, this is very handy. And then let's look at this. Wow, how beautiful. So this is a wooden box and there is a glass on the cover, and I think this is really beautiful. I needed a box for my sewing stuff, little stuff, so this will be very nice to have for all the special buttons and ornaments and decorations. So yes, I love it. And then let's open this big box and see what's in here. Another wooden box, but this is a bit bigger. Would you look at this? How gorgeous is this? You can put all the knickknacks in here. Really nice. This is also for my sewing stuff because they are all over the place. So now I am able to organize those things properly. Yes, thank you so much, Journalsay, for these boxes. These are really nice. And then let's move on to the art supply box. Oh, how cute. This is a little pen case. And I ordered this as a surprise for my daughter because she's going to high school, and this is so cute that I just had to order this for her as a little surprise. I think she will like this. Oh, and then the box. And I always love these Journalsay boxes. I think these are really beautiful with the drawings and paintings and very pretty. Yes, let's open this. I love to use papers a lot in my art journaling, so I'm always very happy to order more papers because I use them a lot. So let's see what's in here because I don't remember exactly what I ordered. Dark polka dots. I love the quality of these papers. I think these feel really like different sized dots, and they are a bit transparent, so you can put a color underneath, which is very nice. And then dreams woven in flowers. Flowers bloom in the sun. Oh yes, now I remember. I ordered these. These are like paper, but they look like crochet work. Really lovely. I think these will go very nicely to the whimsical spreads. Look at this. How cute. And different sizes. Wow. Would you look at that? Fun, fun, fun. Okay, then shadow on paper mill. I love to use these little sized papers in my art journalings because I use a lot of different looking papers, so this paper size is perfect for me. And then lace light shadow. Okay, this is like a little bit 3D, jumps off the surface a bit. This is nice. There is lace. Very lovely. This is like art journaling heaven when you get to see these papers. And then there is dreams woven in flowers. Flowers bloom in the sun. This is the same set as before, but with a different color. When I saw these on Journalsay website, I was like, what are these? I have to get these in many colors. These are so cute. You can make like whimsical flowers out of these on your art journaling spread. So you add like little stem and leaves, for example. How whimsy. And the same thing all over again, but in different color. I ordered so much of these. And blue. Would you look at this? What kind of a flower would this make? Super, super cute. Wow. Yes, I'm very happy about those. And then another one of these booklets. And this I ordered when I was thinking about upcoming fall. I think these colors are very nice in the fall art journaling look. Isn't that nice? And this, wow. Wonderful. Lace dance. So you can like separate parts of your page with these. And you can use these as like in journaling cards and that kind of stuff. These are like 3D again. The surface pops up a bit. Very nice. Cutie cute. And same thing with the bigger paper. Very beautiful. Look at this. So pretty. When it comes to paper, I have to say that Journalsay is my absolute favorite. Different patterns and just wonderful. And next, beautiful. I adore these. Once again, this is a little bit like 3D-ish. Wow, so many lovely papers to choose from. I say that summer journal screams for joy when you get to use these kinds of papers. Really nice. And then some more papers. I am a paper nut. Paper Heaven. And this was lace material collection. You can like cut little pieces of these or use them as a whole. But there are like, in the back you can see there are these. I don't know how you say this, but you see what I mean. They are like cut already, so you just rip one part off. Wonderful. And then knitted diamond check. And these are very lovely for art journal spread again, these little papers. Oh, now I remember, this is like a cutting pen. So you have the little blade here. This is a pen cutter. So you don't have to use the scissors, you just use this to cut, which is very nice. Yes. And then let's check out this. How wonderful. Now I can make my own stamps. This is a stamp punch. How adorable. And then you can glue these little stamps to the art journal. I love it. Another set of papers. Ode to the Ode to the Greenfield Gentle Wind series. Wow, these are like these vintage papers. And I am a big consumer of these in my art journalings. Mixed media spreads. Wonderful. And then another one of these flowers bloom in the sun. Surprise. Oh, yakka. Oh, this makes me so happy. How cute. Very nice. Lovely. Yes, and then what's in here? This is like a washi tape, but this isn't a washi tape. But this is something very interesting. Go away. Not you. Stay there. Sorry, I messed it a bit. This is like a washi tape roll, but these are stickers. These that you see over here. And I had this idea that I could use these in my diary because it needs a bit of color, and I haven't got the time so much to decorate my diary because I am all about the art journaling. So I can always grab a little washi tape here, and then I can put it to my diary. And I'm really happy about these. Would you look at that? Yes, I love it. This is so handy. And of course I can also use this in my art journaling if I want to, but mainly I chose this because this one needs something in it. It's just all about the writing and scheduling. Something fun for it. Amazing. Would you look at this? And I believe I have to order more of these at some point when I have used all of them because this is so very, very handy. I love it. That was our little Journalsay nugget this time. And I'm so happy and grateful for these. So thank you, Journalsay, for the lovely package that you sent me. And there is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out more of these delicious art supply goodies that Journalsay has on their website. Wonderful. But now, because I was so happy about these, and I am still, I think I want to make an art journal spread with these crochet decorations. Maybe something else, I don't know yet. So yes, let's do this. I'm so happy. Let's start the art making. This was so relaxing and I loved playing with these papers. It was so nice to use different kind of patterns and colors, and I love paper decorating. I think this is so much fun. Thank you Journalsay for sending me this lovely package, and there is more information in the description box below. I'm always so happy to open up a Journalsay package. So much joy. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and a warm thank you also to the Taika Patreon creative community. Until next time, moi moi!